I'm going to get your attention right now. Do you have any aches and pains? How about the idea of being relieved of those pains without drugs and without a lot of the standard technical methods that your doctor perhaps used? Tell you what, how about if we now establish how you do that by introducing CEO of an organization called Electromedical Technology, Matthew Wolfson, and nurse Kathy Strand. And we've got another Strand here who is also a specialist. Hobie Strand is co-owner of the Finally Pain-Free organization. I'm completely out of breath and started to have a little pain myself, just a long introduction. But as the CEO, talk to us simply about what the organization is, the business, and about this machine.
Well, thank you for having us here. We're Electromedical Technologies. We're a group of people with a passionate belief that by using safe electrical signals, we're able to trigger the body's natural ability to achieve pain relief. And we happen to make this cool-looking box called the Wellness Pro Plus. We were lucky to have Kathy and Hobie with us here, who are from Finally Pain-Free Clinic, and they can share their experiences with how they've used the device on thousands of people.
But before we move on to the strands, can you give me 20 seconds just on how it works?
Yeah, absolutely. What it does is the device triggers the processes in the body to release endorphins, which are natural painkillers in the body. And that allows the body to relieve pain without the use of opioids or toxic drugs that cause side effects.
Kathy, as a registered nurse now, not as the business guy, but as somebody who deals with the patients themselves, tell me stories about how this has successfully worked.
Well, I've probably, my husband and I have probably had the opportunity to treat over 20,000 people.
20,000?
And it's the only machine like it on the market. It is a Class 2 medical device. It's FDA cleared for pain and for all types of chronic pain, acute pain. And we really got involved with this because my mother had horrible pain. And we looked into this opportunity, and so now here we are many years later, 8 years later, and we're able to put it on people that are looking for pain relief with no side effects, none of the drug side effects, and we keep people out of pain, but it really improves as you use it. So we get a little pain relief the first time, get a little more, a little later, a little more, a little later. And as you use it and you get more pain relief, then people many times will not be on their drugs. Their doctor will, take their drugs away, or they'll begin to do less and less of the drugs.
Hobie, are there any kinds of pain this doesn't work for?
We've not found any pain that it doesn't work for to some degree. We'll have many times in as little as 12 minutes have incredible success with the pain. We're talking from sciatic pain to any type of pain on your body.
Now, do I go to a clinic in order to take advantage of this technology, or do I go to my doctor, or do I buy the unit?
You can do all of the above. So we have many of these in clinics of all kinds, and the doctors can write a prescription for you to own them in your home for personal use.
Well, I know that the biggest question right now that people in the audience are asking is, how do I find out more? How do I find out where there is one near me?
Well, actually, there's in Texas, where Kathy and Hobie are from, they have quite a few schools and universities actually using it.
Well, what about here in Arizona?
In Arizona, we don't have that many clinics here in Arizona that are using it, but we do have a few clinics that they can find the
Well, and for
device.
all that information, the easiest thing to do, and on the Arizona Daily Mix, we try to make it easy for you, particularly if you're hurting. aztv.com for everything you need to know.